Good afternoon and welcome everyone. I, Neha Chheda, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, will be assisting the Chairman and the company officials in conducting the 14th Annual General Meeting of Sealmatic India Limited. I extend my heartiest welcome to all the members, the directors, auditors, and the other dignitaries present at the meeting. This AGM is being held through video conferencing in compliance with circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. It's my pleasure and privilege to introduce the Honorable Chairman and the board members present here. Mr. Umar A.K. Balwa is the Managing Director and the company of the company and the Chairman of the meeting. I now request the Chairman, sir, to take the chair and continue with the further proceedings of the meeting.
Thank you, Neha.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to all of us and everybody on the e-mode. Dear shareholders, welcome to the 14th AGM of our company, Sealmatic India Limited. It gives me tremendous pleasure to present to you our annual report for financial year 31st March 2023. In many ways, the year 2022-2023 was special for all of us in the history of Sealmatic. In the last quarter of the financial year 2022-2023, Sealmatic achieved an important milestone. On March 1st, 2023, Sealmatic shares were listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange SMA platform. The IPO was oversubscribed by 16.6 times. This historic milestone could be achieved only because of the strong foundation laid by our dedicated employees with their persistence and commitment and trust put on Sealmatic by our valued shareholders. I'm sure we'll continue this legacy of delivering value to all the shareholders over years to come. Sealmatic succeeded in increasing its turnover by around 40% to INR 596 million. This shows that the demand for Sealmatic products is very strong and is being driven by the developed markets in Europe, North America, and India. It was also particularly pleasing that our international business not only developed well in times of limited travel opportunities, but also delivered a very strong, satisfactory contribution to our profits. The year 2023-2024 will mark the beginning of a decade of technological transformation. Sealmatic will play an important and active role in shaping this with the sealing technology, supported by the recognition of certification from Ministry of Science and Technology, coupled with host of other valuable certification and qualifications by international bodies. In 2022-2023, we developed a long-term strategy for the next 5 years under the title Sealmatic Beyond 2028. As our focus remains exclusively on sealing technology, we will not only remain committed to our industry, but we are also prepared to assume even greater responsibility for the development of highly engineered sealing technology. With our focus on people and sustainability as a core value, we look beyond the boundaries of the company and will solve the challenges of sealing technology together with our customers. We have been successful in meeting the market demand by continuous investment in our plants, new product launches, research and development, and infrastructure. Our common factory expansion, which is 16 kilometers north of the existing plant in Mira Road, is on track, and by the end of 2023, it shall be fully functional, thus adding 60% capacity to the current infrastructure. To support our research towards new products development, we are investing in state-of-the-art equipment to develop products such as dry gas seal, metal bellows seals, and host of other exciting products. We shall expand our footprints in South and Eastern markets in India. We are in the process of setting up sales and service centers in Chennai and Kolkata. Further, investment is on the drawing board to engage more deeply in markets such as Europe, USA, Middle East, and South America. We have embarked on a global journey, thus participating back-to-back in 8 exhibitions spread across USA, UAE, Russia, Egypt, Europe, and India, thus investing huge amounts of money and resources. This will get us mileage in terms of customer recognition, acquisition, brand image, and commitment portrayed by Sealmatic in the respective countries as mentioned above. Sealmatic is the only indigenous mechanical seal manufacturer which has been qualified by BHL for the 210, 500, 660 megawatt thermal power plants for critical equipment such as boiler feed, booster, and condensate extraction pumps. In addition to the above, we are also the only mechanical seal company globally which has a distinction of API Q1 certificate. Furthermore, the company is proud to announce that Sealmatic is the Second company in India which has been qualified for the nuclear applications such as ISO 19443, thus paving way for getting business in the high-end, most critical nuclear application. Also coupled with other certificates such as ATEX, ISO, and so on and so forth. Our company is an OE supplier to KSB, Ebara, Andritz, KBL, Rohr Pumping, Below, and host of other companies which are multi-billion-dollar and spread across the globe. Our products find wide acceptance with Fortune 500 companies such as IOCL, Reliance, BPCL, HPCL, GAIL, NTPC, ONGC, and many more customers. The year 2023 commenced on a buoyant note with a healthy order booking on hand. A robust strategy for 2023-2024 has been put in place, resulting in high engineered mechanical seals for critical applications such as boiler feed, API, and other critical applications. We have made solid progress towards awareness and behaviors around diversity, equity, inclusion, and many other aspects. Our managers have completed our comprehensive inclusive leadership training program held in the last quarter of 2022. We have undertaken various CSR initiatives for development of society, including education, healthcare, destitute care, women empowerment, etc. We are committed to improving the recruitment of female employees and the proportion of underrepresented positions in senior management. In 2022-2023, female employees recruitment was considerable. Particularly in times of major change, the backbone of any business is its employees, shareholders, customers, and vendors. We would like to thank all these people for their loyalty and trust in Sealmatic. Thank you for your attention and wishing you all a very great year. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I now request Chairman Sir to conclude this meeting with his closing remarks.
Thank you, Neha. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you for your contribution and participation during the 14th AGM. This meeting provided us all an excellent opportunity to interact with our stakeholders, shareholders, and other people who are interested in Sealmatic. As I mentioned in my opening address today, I will continue our interaction and deepen our dialogue to build a more open, transparent, and effective communication channel. With this, I would like to say a big thank you to all our shareholders.